Hello and welcome to the English Cookie. In the last video, we learned about vowels and consonants. Today, we will learn something that will help you to speak English. Words. Because without words, we cannot speak English. What is a word? A word is a group of letters that has a meaning. For example, cat. This is a word. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Every word is made of vowels and consonants. But without vowels, we cannot make proper words. Examples: cat, bat, dog. Did you notice every word has at least one vowel? Now, if we remove the vowels, can we say this is a word? No. So, vowels give life to words. Let's practice some easy words. Repeat the words after me. Hello. Thank you. Please. Sorry. Yes. No. So today you learned what is a word made of. Every word needs at least one vowel. In the next video, we will learn some useful and simple words that can help you speak English in your daily life. If you like the video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe the English Cookie. See you in the next video.